Hello everyone, myself Angad Hanumantanikam. I am from BID. I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from JH Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Wagoli, Pune. Today is 16 October 2021, and our today's discussion topic is the string constant pool and string literal pool, which is used in the Java programming. So basically, we will first see the definition of the string. String is a object which represents the sequence of the characters as like arrays, but arrays only store the same data types values. It only stores the primitive values, but rather than arrays in the string, we will store the uh, character values or the alphabetical values in a sequential manner of any data type. It is also called as non-primitive data types. So this is about the string. So basically there are two ways to create an object of the string is an object. String also have a class, but we will create a string by using first type is that the string is created by using literals, and second type is that string will be created by using new keyword also as like in the objects. So Java is object oriented programming language, hence the string the we will create an object to access various classes in the Java. As like to create the string, we will also use the new keyword. To access also, string is accessed by using also new keyword or by making the object. So this is about the creation of the object. So suppose let us understand what is string constant pool and string literal pool, which is used in the strings. Suppose I have created a string by using the string, by using the literal, the string is created as like the syntax of the string is that. Suppose let's see the example. String s1 equal to in double quotes hepshine. So the string is created by using the literals, and another our way to create the string is that string. So let's see the example. String s2 equal to in a new, after that string, and in the bracket, in double quotes we will provide the parameter hepshine. So the two strings are created by using literal and by using new keyword. So by using literals, the string is stored in the heap memory, in the string constant pool, which is the memory area allowed to locate the values of the strings when we created by using the literals. And by using new keyword, the string is stored in the heap area. So this is the two ways to create the strings. Basically strings, string constant pool is used to store for efficient memory management and also remove the garbage collection. Suppose I have created string s1 equal to in double quotes hepsine. It is stored in the string constant pool, and another string I have created by using new keyword string s2 equal to new string in bracket hepshine. So both the strings are equal parameters passed, hepshine, but when we compare these two strings, there's two strings are not equal. Because of that, the by using new keyword, the value of the string is stored in the heap memory, and by using literals, the string is stored in the string constant pool. Suppose I have created two strings, string s1 equal to in double quotes welcome, and string s2 equal to also in double quotes welcome. So these two strings are created, those two string objects are created by using literals. They located space in the heap, in the string constant pool, not in the heap memory. But there are two objects are not created. Only first object is created string in the string constant pool. After the creation of the another object, string s2 equal to welcome, it first checks in the string constant pool, the if suppose this string content is already available in the string constant pool, then it only returns the values but not create the object. So their object is not created in the string constant pool. Only reference is provided, or the pass by value is provided to the another string. This is about the string constant pool and string literal pool.